kasamahan patungkol sa usap-usapin sa kanya.
Ako naman, kasi before, syempre, may mga issue sa akin dito. Bakit? Akala nyo, di nakarating sa akin. Hindi, ayun kasi, naiirita talaga kasi ako pag nang babackstab.
Dami pa sa Jay.
Totoo? Irritable na ako sa inyo. Pero naman, ayun nga, sana, if meron kayo nakikitang problem sa akin or what, na nakikita niyong mali sa akin, diretso na lang sa akin, hindi yung papakalatin niyo pa dito, chichikan niyo pa sa mga tao.
She's not in a relationship, pero may someone. So parang we don't know.
That's very wrong.
Yung tinutukoy niya is yung time na kinausap ko si Jaren. So just be cautious.
With me and Fiang.
Magalit mo kayo sa akin?
Wala.
Wala, bakit? Anong reason nung pang-backstab? Okay, so I just wanna say sorry and transparent din kay Ate Jazz. Kasi, ayun nga, simula nga nung narinig ko yung stories, nag-iba talaga yung tingin ko sa'yo, I swear. Hindi na parang ganun kataas yung respeto ko sa'yo simula nung narinig ko yun. Sa isip ko, paano ko pagtatanggol yung sarili ko? Pero yun, I just wanna say sorry din. Ako na lang siguro din magsasorry nung naka-misinterpret na mga ginagawa ko sa friends. Kahit ako yung pinag-usapan nyo, ako na lang yung magsasorry.
So, I didn't purposely talk to you nun because hindi pa din kita kilala on a deeper level. That's why I talked first to Jaren because I'm close to Jaren. I know Jaren's emotional and mental capacity already. It was for the both of you, but I had to go first to the guy. But it was for good intention.
Oo, totoo. Nag-thank you naman ako nun.
Oo, because parang nagiging ate lang ako. Sanay kasi ako na may lalaki. And I'm very careful sa brother ko. Kaya, siguro that's the explanation why hindi ikaw yung, kahit ikaw yung babae, kasi hindi pa kita close. And to be honest, until now, sa lahat, ikaw pa din yung hindi ko masyadong close because I felt like there was a barrier na before I talked to Jaren. So yun, and ako din naman, I'm also waiting for you to open up because hindi naman ako mapilit na tao. Like, you're not comfortable opening up to me, I'm fine with that. No matter how hard I try, if you're already close to me, like ayaw mo na, whatever I do na, kahit good intentions, bad na siya. And so yun lang, parang hinintay ko lang na maging okay ka. Kasi nasaktan din naman kita.
Sorry.
Sorry din.
Maril talk po ako, kuya. Like, habang nag-open ako, kuya, parang nare-relief po ako.
Sorry, Fiang. I love you.
I was happy also na na-open yun, kuya, because it takes courage and bravery to say what Fiang said to me in front of everyone, and naging proud and happy din ako.
Wrap everything up that we're only a housemate once.
We're not coming back in this house to be a housemate again. This is like a once in a lifetime experience and opportunity, so don't hold grudges. It's better that we build a foundation for a good relationship inside here so that we have an even better one when we leave.
Let's hope for the best and PBB Gen 11! PBB Gen 11!
Ano nga ba ang mga pagbabagong mangyayari sa samahan ng housemates matapos ang kanilang harapan?